Good afternoon. We are from Lila Glacier and Cosmetics. We have our very own doctor who does all the beauty needs in this clinic. Now, Dr. Musen is going to tell you about what he's doing in this clinic. Here's Dr. Musen.
Yes, Madam Connie, here in this clinic, which is something we do unique, things that is not found in other clinics. We do here the facelift, and we do here the stretching of the skin, even the neck, because all the time the skin is gonna be redundant sometime with age. And we do here also all the procedures that is very highly recommended for the eye surgery, for the cheek dimples, and now we are introducing the laser liposuction, which is very beneficial because it stretches the skin, no redundancy and no downtime, and at the same time the patient can go down and work in the second day. This is unique in this clinic, and we hope always to progress for the clinic, and we will do the best maneuvers found all over the world. Yes, now we are going to talk about one of the amazing machines that is found in the Relapse Center, which will make a very good revolutionary thing here. This machine is a very recent machine, one of the best machines found in the world, called the liposuction with laser, which as we explained before, is more beneficial. This machine can do removing of the excess fat and burn it in about less than half an hour. And it will introduce in the work from beginning of this week, and we are going to start with it. And this is the suction machine, which is used for suction of the fat after burning with Smart. This machine is made by a very famous company called Smart Lipo, called Cynosure. Cynosure is one of the biggest American companies that have a very good concern about this type of liposuction, which we consider is the best way of minimum complication and minimum bleeding, and with a very little downtime without any problems for the patient. Now we are going to speaking about one of the procedures that is favored by the ladies, which is a Botox injection. Botox injection is a very good way of just straightening the line of the face and other areas. We do it here in this center in a professional way, because most of the people, they do not how is a Botox injected. The Botox is a material done by some type of poisons, which lead to relaxation of some muscle in favor of other muscles. So there are certain points that we should inject the Botox in, and these points are found in our books, and it is known. But actually nobody knows this point exactly, and how many points in every, how many units are injected in every point. So we did it in a proper way. So in most of the cases we don't need something called the retouche, because we are doing our best here to let the patient have the best results without masking the expression of the face, which is grooming or frightened or whatsoever the expression, because the area of the frontal area, we call it the expression area of the face. Now we are going to speaking about one of the procedures that is favored for most of the ladies and patients. We are going to speak about the tear trough and under eye halos and color that found in most of patients, which is mostly hereditary sometimes. So this technique is high tech, that is used some special material which we call it the Bellatero. It is one FDA approved for injection under the eye and makes it the color immediately removed, and this area appears very, very significantly changed. So we recommend this procedure to be done by a high-tech doctor who knows what he is doing, because this area has a lot of arteries and vein. It shouldn't be injured. Now we are standing beside one of the best machine, or the new machine that are making amazing results. This is called Hypo. Hypo is high intensified focused ultrasound, which brings about reducing the fat area and stretching the skin over it. It takes about 2 or 3 sessions to get the very good results with this machine. We recommend it for all the patients that are suffering from redundancy of the skin and that also suffering from accumulation of fat in some areas. Also in Lilac clinic, we are standing beside now one of the best amazing machine for hair removal all over the world. And in my opinion, this is considered number 1 in the world for hair removal. It is a very reliable machine that you can depend on for hair removal in a very low session. This machine is also doing other things like treating the spider nevi or the varicose veins and sometimes rejuvenation also. But mainly the main job of this machine is to remove the hair follicles, which is one of the best in the world. And we depend on this machine for a lot of work for these things.
In addition to what Dr. Mohsen has said about Candela, this is our second machine that we use for hair removal, and we also use this to remove the pigmentation and the vascular treatment. This is our second machine. This is the best machine in the whole world, Candela Gentle Max Pro. And for full body laser, it will only take 1 hour or 45 minutes only. This is our third machine in our clinic, the hair laser removal. It's the brand is Candela. It's Candela Gentle Max Pro, the best machine in the whole world as well. This is also the same treatment with the other machines that we showed to you. It has the same applications. We have additional services for this clinic, Lilac. We have the Q-switch machine that we are using for rejuvenation with the carbon. We also use this to remove the pimples and the pigmentation.